All right, let's make this super simple, crazy good pulled pork. First, I went ahead and seasoned it up with 2 Pig Mafia steak seasoning. Then I went ahead and set it on the Oklahoma Joe's Rider DLX 900. After that, I went ahead and got the pellets put in the hopper, the lid shut down, I turned it on, and I set it to low. I went ahead and smoked this pork butt for 9 hours unwrapped. I then wrapped it in butcher paper after the stall, finished it off, then pulled it, wrapped it in some foil, and let it rest for 12 hours in the oven at 145. And let me tell you, this thing is a beauty. Absolutely gorgeous pork butt. Go ahead and check that out right there. Ooh, look at the juices. All right, let's get a taste test and let's see what it is. What it is crazy good.